Hi everyone, Immortal here. Now that we've downloaded and installed Metasploitable, let's configure it. First, press Start. As I mentioned, you need to configure a couple of things. Allocate 2 GB of memory to the system and ensure it has at least 2 processors. This is crucial for your network settings. If you're using a wireless network or Wi-Fi adapter like I am, make sure to select bridge mode. Otherwise, use a NAT network. The login username for Metasploitable is msfadmin. Press enter, and the password is also msfadmin. Please note that when typing the password in Linux, it won't be visible for security reasons. Just press enter, and you'll log into Metasploitable. Next, let's check the IP address of our Metasploitable server. You can do this by running ifconfig or a similar command. As you can see, the IP address is 192.168.1.104. We will use Kali Linux to test the Metasploitable server to verify if it's working correctly. Let's open our Kali Linux machine. Metasploitable is excellent for penetration testing, as you know. We'll also check a couple of labs or vulnerable websites to see if they are functioning properly. Log into your Kali Linux machine. The IP address you see is for the Metasploitable web server. Enter this IP address in your browser to connect to the machine you want to pen test. For example, go to http 192.168.1.104. As you can see, the Metasploitable web server is up and running. You can perform various tests here, including SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and more. You can also test DVWA, DAM vulnerable web application, and other tools. Ensure you have configured your network properly. If not, you might face connectivity issues with the web server or other penetration testing tools. If you need to shut down the machine, use the following command, sudo poweroff. You will be prompted for the password msfadmin. Enter it, and the system will shut down safely. This method is preferable over using the power off button, as it ensures all services are stopped correctly. That's all about configuring and using Metasploitable. If you enjoyed this video and want more content related to Linux, cybersecurity, or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.